Hello, and welcome to Unmute English. Today, we're going to improve your English listening skills with a short story. Listen carefully. After the story, I'll ask you some questions to test your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and listen. Let's begin. Last Saturday, James went shopping in the city centre. It was a sunny afternoon, and the streets were busy. He wanted to buy a new pair of shoes and a birthday gift for his sister. After visiting several shops, James finally found the perfect gift. He paid for it and continued walking around the city. About an hour later, James decided to stop at a cafe for a cup of coffee. When he reached into his pocket to pay, he suddenly realized something was wrong. His wallet was missing. James checked all of his pockets again. He looked inside his bag, but the wallet was nowhere to be found. He felt worried. His wallet contained his bank cards, some cash, and his driving license. James quickly tried to remember where he had used it last. Then he remembered paying for his sister's gift at a department store. He immediately returned to the store. When he arrived, he spoke to a staff member and explained the situation. The staff member smiled and said, "Are you looking for a black wallet?" James felt hopeful. "Yes, that's mine." The staff member opened a drawer and showed him the wallet. A customer had found it on the floor and handed it to the store's lost and found desk. Everything was still inside. James thanked the staff member and the honest customer. He felt relieved and happy. Before leaving, he decided to buy himself a small chocolate bar to celebrate his good luck. Let's see how much you understood. Question 1. Where did James go on Saturday? Question 2. What was James buying? Question 3. Where did James notice his wallet was missing? Question 4. Who found the wallet? Question 5. How did James feel at the end? Now listen to the story one more time. This time, try to understand even more details. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Have you ever lost something important? What was it? Did you find it again? Try to answer in English. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Excellent work today. See you in the next English listening practice lesson.